Wetlands, nature's filtration system. Now that we've learned a bit more about the wetland ecosystem, we can take a closer look at why wetlands and their ability to filter out nutrients from rivers and creeks is so important. To explain that, we'll need to take a look at the urban water cycle.
Every day, every hour, every minute, all over Moreton Bay and the Sunshine Coast, toilets are flushing, sinks are draining, washing machines are washing, showers are spraying and dishwashers are cleaning as our homes, schools and businesses use water and create sewage. Most of us make around 162 litres of sewage a day.
99% of sewage is just dirty water. The rest is made up of solids, chemicals, fats, nutrients, nasties, and some items that should not be in the sewerage network.
That's a lot of poo.
Oh, sewage isn't just poo. It's also anything you flush down the toilet or send down your sink and your drain.
Did you know that no new water is ever made? The same water just keeps being used, cleaned and treated over and over and over again. That water in your drink bottle right now is actually as old as the Earth itself.
Before the world's population grew so much, and before there were all these houses and buildings, Mother Nature used to treat all the water through the natural water cycle. Rain would fall, water the world, then evaporate into clouds before eventually returning as rain or snow or sleet. But now we use so much water and it becomes so polluted that nature simply can't keep up. We now have the urban water cycle to give Mother Nature a hand.
When it rains, the water is captured in huge dams. It's treated before it's ready for you to use. After you use the water, we pump the sewage away in underground pipes to be treated and cleaned at a sewage treatment plant before it is returned safely to the environment. Sewage treatment helps to keep us healthy and our waterways clean.
Sewage treatment is one great big science project. It's a complex process and we can't do it alone. We need a bit of help from our friends, the friendly bacteria. Fortunately, these happy, hungry guys love all the organic matter in the sewage that we want to get rid of. In fact, it's their favourite food.
That's right. These guys eat all the carbon and reduce the amount of phosphorus and nitrogen in the sewage that can impact the health of our waterways.
Treating sewage is a critical part of the urban water cycle and an important service we provide at Unity Water. While sewage treatment plants can remove some of the nutrients, the phosphorus and the nitrogen, the water that is released back to the Maroochy River still has a small amount of nutrients in it. To help keep everything in balance, we're using the Yandina Creek wetlands and that natural filtration process to clean the water. We've worked out that the wetland will remove over 5 tonnes of total nitrogen per year. So this keeps everything in balance and the waterways clean and healthy and the local ecosystem happy. I know as a local that lots of people enjoy swimming, fishing, kayaking on the Maroochy River. Thanks to the Yandina Creek wetlands, nature's natural filtration system, Unity Water is able to keep the river clean and healthy for the community and the environment. Why don't you have a discussion with your family or friends about how you use and value the Maroochy River? Where do you go? What activities do you do? And what does it mean to have a beautiful, healthy river nearby? Now you've heard all about the wetland, it's time to visit one. Visit Yandina Creek wetlands with your grown-ups if you live nearby, or find a wetland nearer to you that is accessible to the public. Visit the wetland and observe the habitat. Look around. What do you see? Close your eyes. What do you hear and smell? Can you identify the plants? What birds did you see and what were they doing? Document your experience and create a vlog on what you've learnt about wetlands and their vital role in our ecosystem. Try writing a short poem a story about the wetlands, or draw or paint a picture of them. Once you're happy with your work, share your experience at the wetlands with other students on the Kids in Action closed Facebook group. To help your journey, head to the Unity Water website for information on the Yandina Creek wetlands. We've also pulled together some great resources which you can download below.
Bye.